Monday, July the 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and we had a one-day reprieve yesterday from those high levels of humidity, those very muggy conditions, but that has come to an end now. You will notice that as soon as you set foot outside today, back to those more humid, muggy, midsummer conditions, and that looks like it's really going to be with us for the bulk of this week. But a lot of folks coming up asking me about rain. We need some rain, and that is certainly the case. We do need some rain, and it's been a pretty dry past 6 weeks or so overall. And I do think we have pretty good opportunities over the next couple of days to see some areas of showers and thunderstorms out there. Let's go to the radar imagery. Now, again, I cut this video during the 5 a.m. hour. At that point in time, this was how the Greenville-Spartanburg NexRad site shaped up. And yet some areas of showers and storms from northeast Georgia, extreme western South Carolina, up into western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee. And what's going on is there's a little convectively induced vortex here, looks like, in eastern Tennessee, and that is cruising eastward. And that should enhance the opportunity for some showers and storms, especially in that region coming up later on into the day today. Now, watches and warnings, you have, once again, heat advisories down around southeastern South Carolina, Hilton Head, and down towards Savannah, and then around the New Orleans and Biloxi areas. More heat advisories for today. Notice this is the wind direction, and we're back to that southerly and southwesterly flow of wind. So after that one-day break from the humidity, back into the muggy stuff again today. Kind of an interesting pattern across the lower 48. There's not a huge ridge right now anywhere across the region. Sort of a very broad-based, you could call it a trough, could call it zonal flow. Either way, kind of a broad-based trough in the eastern half of the country or so. And this is the type of pattern here where we're seeing occasional disturbances ripple our way. There's one this afternoon, there's another one, and each of those disturbances, as they pivot across the country, will kick off some areas of showers and storms. So timing those disturbances out is always a bit tricky. But this time of year, you can almost always focus the highest rain chance in the afternoon and the evening. So that's really what we'll do the next couple of days. Today, I think especially areas roughly close to and north and west of I-85, pretty good coverage of scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow, also, really anywhere across the region, the chances increase for showers and storms. So it looks like a pretty unsettled day tomorrow, and pretty unsettled today for Charlotte and the Triad and points north and west with scattered showers and storms. Both today and tomorrow, any storms could produce some damaging wind gusts, and you know the drill. This time of year, any storm can produce some pretty vivid lightning and some locally heavy rain. Now, as we get towards, say, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it looks like that zone of showers and storms tries to shift. Lost the microphone there. Tries to shift into the eastern parts of the Carolinas. So the coastal plain, seeing the highest coverage there Wednesday and Thursday, probably Friday as well. But still anywhere, even in the northwestern parts of the region, as we go through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, can't rule out some isolated late-day storms. And later this week, the temperatures will increase again. Fewer showers and storms means hotter temperatures, so probably back into the mid-90s for highs by Thursday and Friday. And then more scattered thunderstorms on tap as we go through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It looks like we really settled into the dog days of summer here with warm and muggy conditions. And after the next couple of days, highs today and tomorrow, many spots probably seeing some 80s for highs, especially the farther west you go with increased cloud cover and those shower and storm chances. But we'll get back up well into the 90s for highs later this week. Tropics are quiet. Didn't really show you anything from the tropics this morning. No immediate signs of tropical development across the Atlantic Basin. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.